Okay, move it slowly, big guy. Easy now, just a little further. Watch the tail, almost there.
Secure the forward latch. Copy that. Ramp down. Engines on. Keep them moving to the ramp. Steady now. Clear the path on the right. Secure the flank. Watch the rear. Let's load them up.
Welcome to our facility. Excellence is our standard. The scales appear to be in excellent condition.
Agreed. Minimal blemishes here.
Proceed with the finishing polish.
Ensure the sensors are calibrated. Checking the vitals now.
Condition is excellent, scales are intact.
Noted. I've logged the texture data.
Check the underside for blemishes, please. The temperature is stable now. Preparing for storage. Check the seal.
Verified.
Verified. Keep them moving steady, B. Affirmative, A. Watch the line, they're looking good.
The yield is optimized at Station 3. Acknowledged. Maintaining flow. Check the water levels.
Packaging process complete.
Excellent. Check the next batch for consistency. The humidity is stabilized.
Running the cycle now. The calibration is complete. We can start the cutting sequence. Yes, everything looks optimal. Beginning phase 1 now. Excellent, this alignment looks perfect. Proceed to the next station. Confirmed. The stitching on these brown shoes is exquisite, and the leather on this handbag feels incredibly supple. Ensure every buckle is perfectly aligned.